we're going to be doing Friday the 13th Ultimate Savini Jason action figure from the game. This is designed by Tom Savini, and this is a beautiful looking figure right out of the package. My only gripe, my single only gripe, is that it says featuring glowing eyes. I'm a huge glow-in-the-dark collector. I have probably 1,000 different glow-in-the-dark items, including toys and knickknacks. So when I saw that, got excited. Turned out this is light piping only. It's exactly on one head. It's not a big gripe, but I don't have any of my shelves set up with backlights, so I won't really be able to enjoy it as much as I would like, but who cares? Minor nitpick. Other than that, zero complaints about this figure. Now, first off, great artwork right on the front. You got your barcode. I will never be able to see a barcode and not hear Yojo Jerk saying that. I appreciate that because I think it's funny as hell. So does my wife. The back has some great artwork. It's got a metallic finish to it. Almost, I don't want to say holographic, but it catches the light in just the right ways. It's really nice. Top of the box has almost nothing. Side of the box has clearly upside down. Oh, clearly upside down again. So I'm going to get rid of all that. And just so you know, the smoke effect right there actually comes directly off his head. I heard that from Tom Savini himself. Probably lying about that. So it goes around its, I think it goes around its weight. It goes around a bunch of different places, but it's one of those things that I'm never going to display with. What I like about this figure, it has hidden articulation. You got your typical bend, but then you have a secondary bend right there. I'm trying to do it like the other guys do, where I work from behind the camera, but I can't see jack shit. So if I'm off, I apologize. So you got your bend here. Then you also have your secondary bend right there. It gives you a little bit extra range of motion. Not much, but enough. It comes with the Devil's Triton, which a lot of people don't know, but he went to hell. He kicked ass, took names, and said, by the way, I'm taking your Triton. And he now wields the power of hell itself. So, I mean, if you're going to go all the way crazy with it, go all the way crazy. Like I said, if you're going to write a novel, don't spare any details, okay? Especially where they're important, and feel free to absolutely go as wild as possible, because at the end of the day, whether you sell one book or 152,000 books, weird number, but if you sell 152,000 books, you can look back and go, I am glad I went all the way crazy with it, because at the end of the day, you need to be happy with your book for other people to be happy. The detail on this figure is really, really good. He has spikes right here. Let's see if I can bring those in really good. Not really sure what that's all about. It almost looks like they were going to put like a shoulder pad on him, but I mean, he was in hell, so who knows? Like I said, the detail is really good. It looks like it's painted with blacklight reactive paint. It is just not. I keep leaning over to one side. I apologize. He's got real chains on him. He's got 6 total pairs of hands. Okay, 2 open and 4 grabbing. The 4 grabbing are almost identical to each other, so I don't really know what they were going with on that. The pants and shirt are nice and ripped up, and apparently right as he left hell, and this is insider information, so don't share this with anybody else, he went to a shoe store and got absolutely brand new shoes. Look at the shine on that, no scuff. Look at that, no scuff on the bottom of those. Who knew that hell had a really good shoe store? I would have preferred a little bit of a wear and tear on the boots, but you know what I'm saying? You gotta get your kicks. They gotta be nice. His articulation is very smooth. I mean, look at that. He can. I mean, do you have a Jason figure that can just straight up ninja kick somebody? Ta-da! Oh, well, there we go. There we go. Now, granted, we all know how he got this power. This is the power of hell. So he's going to be able to take on your other action figures fairly well. He's not going to have much of a problem. I would say, you know what? If I did have to gripe about something, I would have paid extra money for this thing to have been in a little bit better scale. Here's my newly acquired Zartan, jamming away on the guitar. And as you can tell, Zartan is your true 1/12 scale. As Chad would say, 1/12 scale is the Lord's scale. I mean, I know he fronts on the 3 3/4 size being the most important, but we all know that's bullshit. It's 1/12, especially when you're getting old and your eyes don't work as well. Details, motherfuckers. I need it. Jason stands about just under 8 inches tall. Okay, for height-wise, he stands a little over 8 inches tall, taller than Zartan, and slightly taller than the Broken Fairy Tales Pinocchio, right here. We're going to go into his extra head. This is the head that has the light piping. There we go. Is it focusing? Okay, there you go. Here's the light piping right there. I have a little video demonstrating it a lot better than outdoors you'd be able to see it. The box says the eyes glow. What they fail to mention is this is a light piping. These do not glow. He has no glow-in-the-dark material on him, and he barely has any black light reactive material. This is a light piping only. That was kind of a major disappointment when I saw the package, when it said its eyes glow, because I'm probably the world's biggest glow-in-the-dark collector when it comes to the sheer volume of stuff that I have that glows. But either way though, still a beautiful head. Here's a secondary head, painted white eyes. Again, no black light reactive paint on this whatsoever, and the eyes do not glow. Only this head produces light through the light piping. You have your extra mask, your smoke effect, and I'm going to spin the figure around one more time because we had to shoot the back of the video again because I realized the video was blurry after it was all done. This is overall a really good figure. I have no complaints. Like I said, everything is very smooth. Overall, this is worth a pickup. So a little push on him right there. But I have no complaints with this figure whatsoever. I'm standing a little weird, but it's all good. So overall, this is, for at least my collection for Friday the 13th, this was definitely a must-buy, must-have, and it's going to go right up on the shelf. So I hope you guys have a good day. We are 26 subscribers away from 500 subs. Yep, 500 subs, and we appreciate everybody who's subbed up so far, and anybody who is going to sub up, we appreciate it. Leave a comment, anything you want. It can be as crazy as possible. Leslie, my wife, is getting the craziest comments over on her Messenger, and you got some crazy shit on Twitter, didn't you? Yeah. We got some crazy photos. Some of you guys don't show yourself in the best light with the photos, but hey, you gave me an ego boost, so I guess you can keep the photos coming. So either way, here we go. This is the video, and we appreciate all the subscribers. Hope to see you soon.